We're back for the bonus race. Same track as before, but now we added a different Joker section. So we have one right there, and we got to take each one once instead of 2 from that one we did before. Now, if you didn't see that race before, make sure you check out the other video. And if you're on TikTok, make sure you check out my TikTok channel. One of my videos, I can't believe it, just hit 1 million views. So thank you, Brian, for providing a ridiculous situation to occur so that video could do that. So I appreciate that. Ah! Whoa, okay, that cone's gone. If no one takes it, I'm going to take one right now. Yep, see you later, brother. And open space. That's what we want. Give me the open space, dear. Give me the open space. That's definitely the strat for this course, is like take one early and just get as much open space as possible. And then hopefully I'm just by myself for a while. That would be ideal. If I am just by myself for as long as possible. The longer I am by myself, the happier I am. It doesn't exactly provide great content if I'm by myself, but for race purposes, it's very good. In fact, I may just take the other one soon and just like get them both out of the way, because I mean, is there a chance we lap someone in this race? There might be a chance. So if that's the case, we want to hold it, I think. Okay. Ooh, someone's right on my butt. Someone's right there. Someone is right on my butt. Oh, I wish I would have taken that Joker now. I think I might just take it next time then. Ow! Maybe not. Oh boy, okay, bud. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out, watch out, bud. Watch out, bud. That was kind of a disaster, because I would have loved to have taken it, but I got stuck on the inside there. Oh, it's the last lap. Okay. Well, we obviously gotta take it now. I mean, good race, good race.